Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you all a very important topic, user defined package along with user defined modules. Okay, I have just prepared a lesson plan here. Let me just show you the lesson plan first. Actually, what is package? Package is nothing but a collection of Python modules under a common namespace, creating by placing different modules on a single directory folder along with the special file. Here the special file is init.py, that is underscore init underscore .py. It is basically an empty module, but it is required to be here in this folder to just distinguish package from the general folder. Now अभी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि अपना यूजर डिफाइंड पैकेज हम लोग कैसे बनाएंगे. वी ऑल नो दैट पाइथन हैज मेनी पैकेजेस. ओके, तो अगर हम अपना पैकेज बनाएंगे तो वी कैन क्रिएट आवर ओन मॉड्यूल्स. वी कैन क्रिएट मेनी डिफरेंट फंक्शंस इनसाइड a specific module, and whenever we want to use that module, our own made module, we can use that module in any program from anywhere in the Python program. So we are creating here a user defined package first. For this we need to perform two steps. Okay, I am taking just one example to show this all the process. Suppose here I have kept a name my underscore package. This is the name of my user defined package. Within this package there are many modules, module 1, module 2 and module 3, but I will create only one module named areacalc.py. Okay, and within that module I'll create, or you can say I'll define circle function and the square function, which is used for calculating the area of circle and calculating the area of a square. That means in this particular topic we are going to discuss, we are going to learn how to create our own package. Within that package, how to create our own named module, and within that module we can create many different functions. Okay, let's start with the first step. For this, firstly we need to know where our Python folder is actually existing. In this laptop, in my laptop, it is existing in C drive. Let me show you the Python folder. Just click this PC. Okay, that means within that Python folder we have to create our own package. We will click on C. Then within C there is a folder named Python, where you can see, and then this Python folder we have to go in lib, that is the library folder, and within this library folder you have to go in site packages. This is the site packages. We have to create our own package here. I have just created my package my underscore package, so it is already created. That is why I am just creating some another folder name new. Okay, you can keep any name, suppose isc underscore package. Okay, this is the name of our package. Now within this package we need to create a initialization file, that is underscore init underscore. This is also created. This is just an empty file. Okay, let me just show you within my package. Once you can create, you can just copy it. It is nothing but a file, nothing within this. Okay, I'm just copying it just to save time. Okay, you can keep it here. This actually one question arises here, that is why this initialization file is necessary. This is a file which distinguishes this package from the folder. Actually folder and package both are just similar. ऐसे आप देख सकते हैं कि सेम ही जैसा दिखता है, but पाइथन को जस्ट लुक करने के लिए, देखने के लिए कि मेरे फंक्शंस कहाँ हमको मिल सकते हैं। तो जैसे ही वो पैकेज को ओपन करता है, देखता है कि यहाँ पे इनिशियलाइजेशन फाइल है, दैट मीन्स उसको समझ जाता है ये पैकेज है। एंड इफ इनिशियलाइजेशन फाइल इज नॉट देयर, दैट मीन्स कि वो एक नॉर्मल फोल्डर है, तो उसको टच नहीं करता, ओपन नहीं करता। दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट स्टेप इज completed here, my package. Okay, now as we can see in our lesson plan, the second step is to create a module, and our module name is areacalc.py. यानी कि यहाँ हम ये module 1 create कर रहे हैं. Within that we will create circle function and square function. Okay, now for creating the module, what we need to do, we will need to open the IDLE. Now open the IDLE. IDLE. And in this IDLE we will create definitions of the functions, that is the calculating area of circle and calculating area of square. These two definitions will be available in that areacalc.py module. Okay, I have created it here. You can also create a new file. Let me show you areacalc. Now we will create a file, new file, and we will define two functions here. I have already written the definitions here in lesson plan, so I'll just copy this and paste it here just to save the time. Okay, now you can look at this definitions. This is circle definition, in which we'll input a radius, and in this definition square we'll input a side. That means when we enter radius, then it will create area of circle, it will produce area of circle, and when we will provide a side, it will provide area of a square. This is the definition. And now after doing this, we have to save this file. We have to save this file with the name areacalc.py. areacalc.py, areacalc.py, within the folder, that is within the package we have created. We have created by its own. That means within site package. Okay, ISC package, this is our recent package. Now just save it here. This is the module, areacalc module. Now we have created a module within the ISC package. That means हमारा पैकेज बन गया, उस पैकेज के अंदर हमने मॉड्यूल्स बना लिए. Now we need a program to call that function. That means कि सर्कल फंक्शन को कॉल करना, स्क्वायर फंक्शन को कॉल करना, so that we can use our own defined functions within the module. इसको सेव करने के बाद now we will create just a program to just check. Okay, now we will create a test program, new file. I have written code in the lesson plan, so I'm just copying that code actually, Control V. Okay, now I will save this program by giving the name as, can give it test PRC. That's the name of the program is testprg. Okay, now save. Now this program is saved. Just look at the coding. What we have to do, we have to include syntax just like given above. From ISC package, this is the name of our package. After that, import areacalc. This is the name of our module. And just for using or calling the function of that module, we need a dot. syntax, that is name of the module dot circle. just like हम math module से जब functions use करते हैं तो math dot power function या math dot sqrt function use करते हैं, वैसे यहाँ पे हमारा user defined module है area calc name of the module हो गया, dot के साथ name of the function which we can use. Now just save this. I think I have saved it. Now just इसे रन कराते हैं, चेक करते हैं whether it is properly working or not. Okay, now we will execute this program just to check whether a program is properly using the function of our own package or not. You can see here, yeah, the function is called enter radius. Suppose we are giving 5. It is calculating area of circle as 78.5. You can say pi r square, that is 3.14 multiplied by 25 actually. That means that will be approximately 8.5. Now suppose interside 10, then the area of a square would be 100. It should be 100. Yeah, that means it's working properly. And in this way, okay, now close this window. In this way, we can create our own function. We can create our own user-defined function within our user-defined module, within user-defined package. In this way, at last, I would say we have to recall just 2 steps. That is, firstly, we need to create a user-defined package. Here you can say that is a C Python library site package and the name of the package. Okay, and in second step we have to do a user defined module. Okay, and within that module we'll define different functions. And finally, just to check whether our function is properly working or not, or whether our module is created or not, we need a program. And for this, here a program is written. This is the program. And as we can just show that program is really working. These are the questions. Thanks. I hope आप समझे होंगे. Thanks. It's Monika from KB Sonpur, Patna region.